Our concept here is that we just show our hotness and sexiness through our photographs and in a fast-paced manner. So we have four photographs, four pictures, four cameras everywhere in this room. The first camera, yes. The second camera. The third camera. And the fourth camera. Reflection of the garden.
Sige, go. Sige. Sige, so.
Mark.
One. Mark.
Isa. Pindot sa.
Pindot mo tanong. Sige, go. Mark, go. Malapis dito. Hindi na buto. Di otro. Ay, pabilo. Again. Una kay Mark. Ang back by MJ.
Ako na tao din.
Oh, MJ sa MJ.
Uy! Uy, klaro! Una. Mark, ganito. Ay, nauna. Sini, Mark. Bal. Ako. Ito ba?
Amazing.
Ilang, 1 by 1, 2, 3, go!
Gian.
What the way?
I'm Borara.
Mark!
Ryan! I'm Mor!
Mag-YouTube lagi.
Introduce me.
Bal! Si Bal!
Ito naka-orange.
Kaya magawa Bal?
MJ.
Pula. Zero.
Yeah.
Ito. It'll do the best thing that you'll ever see in television.
Photography is the best.
Why?
Go.
Photography. Especially in commercial.
Ali.
Dito. Go.
Ah! Sako na sa dayon! Take two. Light, camera, action.
Take 4 na yun.
Oh, yeah, Layla.
Okay. Hello. Oh. Makaboy. Sige na. Sige na. Go.
And in 3, 2, 1, go!
Go.
And go!
And go!